Hi, this is Paul Howell, Managing Editor for Hong Kong Business Magazine. And today I'm presenting the Technology Excellence Awards, celebrating the best, the brightest, and the most innovative digital projects from across the Hong Kong business scene in 2020. Winning in the Fintech for Mergers and Acquisitions category was Datasite, and I'm joined now by its head of Hong Kong and South Korea, Jacey Paik. Jacey, thank you very much for joining me, and congratulations on the award win.
No, thank you very much, Paul. And I'd like to thank the judges of the Hong Kong Business Technology Excellence Awards for recognizing the innovative solutions and the technology that Datasite provides today. I'm extremely proud to receive this recognition on behalf of Datasite. And I'd like to thank the team, all the teams involved actually, in creating, delivering, and supporting the products. This level of excellence and achievement wouldn't have been possible without the concerted effort of all the teams globally.
Can you tell us about your award-winning project? This is Datasite's software solution for large-scale mergers and acquisitions. What was this and how does it work?
That is correct, Paul. Datasite empowers deal makers, mostly M&A professionals, as that is the larger kind of chunk of our business, with platforms and necessary tools to manage and support capital transactions. These are corporate activities such as IPO, mergers and acquisitions, restructuring and financing deals, and whatever it may be that the corporate needs to raise capital. Less than a decade ago, when the market was still adapting VDR, a standard protocol to run due diligence, you can imagine that deal preparation, running the deals, and even managing the entire process was extremely cumbersome. It's very time and also labor extensive itself. Datasite not only digitized the experience and the process itself, but it streamlined and simplified the deal flow with an added layer of security to it. We have two core innovative platforms today. Datasite Diligence helps deal makers manage and run the due diligence process. We also have Datasite Outreach, which manages the process before that, the marketing stage of an asset. All of these combined allow the M&A professionals to run their deals more effectively and efficiently.
What does it mean to all the M&A deal makers around the world to have access to this software?
Yes, I slightly touched upon it just on the question before, but if we look across the M&A lifecycle, there are a lot of inefficiencies in the process. Many of the admin tasks and activities are run quite manually. However, technology, particularly advanced technology like machine learning and artificial intelligence, have been able to change that, kind of revolutionize the way that you run deals. Our platform and tools help deal makers get deals done faster, which opens up the capacity for them to take on more deals as well. This is key as extended transactions, and we would all agree today, opens up to a lot of risks, decision making, more time, more costs involved in having to facilitate the extended process.
Hong Kong's software business is certainly very competitive at the moment. What makes Datasite stand out from the crowd?
Sure, this is a very tough question to answer in a couple of seconds, as there are so many tools and features in there that are extremely helpful for a time like today when effective virtual collaboration is really essential in avoiding delays, being able to run activities, communications, and mentioned before, but decision-making process more effectively. Datasite Diligence and Outreach have tools and features that allow deal makers to prepare, manage, and run the entire deal cycle within a single platform. So you don't have to utilize multiple platforms, go online or offline, or even have to meet physically. You can actually take care a lot of the processes within the platform itself. Amongst the many features that I would love to share, I would just like to highlight a recent tool that we have rolled out that our customers are kind of really benefiting from these times. At these times, we have embedded redaction within the virtual data room. It's a new concept where redaction itself is quite a manual process that you take offline, need to cross-check, reverse the process again manually. Today, with Datasite Diligence, you can actually redact sensitive content for your deals within a matter of seconds, just a couple of clicks, and reverse the process when you need to provide the original. So those are just one of the key features that we have today that allow this, the deal flow to be more efficient and effectively, as we mentioned over and over again, which are essential to the deal makers.
The technology scene is fast developing across the financial services industry at the moment. What role did that ecosystem of new service providers play in the development of this software?
Yes, we Datasite work with a number of partners that are essential in managing and also building out our applications. Datasite works with a number of platforms and partners to create new applications with us, one of which are Pivotal Cloud Foundry for its code and scalability. What this means is you can upload as much content as you want, whether it's by the gigabytes, 10s and 20s gigabytes, as well as invite as many users as you want onto the platform without any delay in the function, as well as any kind of system slowdown or screen freeze. This is extremely crucial in being able to run a smooth transaction when users are actually active on the platform reviewing documents.
And what's next for Datasite? Are there any future plans that you're able to share with our audience today?
Yes, you need to keep watching this space. There are a lot of extremely exciting features coming out, rolling out on a consistent basis. Later this year, we are going to introduce another new application to help the buy side of the deal process. It is called Datasite Acquire. The application will manage the workflow, track findings, and reporting for buy side customers. Additionally, we do continue to innovate with new technologies. And later this year, we also plan to announce new features based on artificial intelligence for our integrated redaction tool that I mentioned earlier.
Well, it certainly sounds like there's a lot happening and a lot of new innovations coming out of Datasite this year and next. Lastly, though, Jacey, what does it mean to you and your team to have won at this year's Technology Excellence Awards?
It means a lot, Paul. The Hong Kong Technology Excellence Awards recognizes the most innovative software and technology products among first-rate companies. We are very proud to have been chosen again this year for that category. Winning this award is a confirmation that our talented product managers, the designers and engineers have made a product that truly benefits our clients and their deal-making needs today.
Jacey, Paik, thank you very much for joining me, and congratulations to you and the team once again.
Thank you.